Let's learn how to add the print functionality into your WordPress website, blog posts, or pages. Imagine that you would like to offer print options to your articles, okay? Maybe you write about scientific articles and you would like to offer the options to print, to PDF, or eBook, okay? How to do this for free into your WordPress website is what we're gonna learn in this video. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content for a friend of yours. After this, go to your WordPress dashboard. To access the WordPress dashboard, on the browser address bar, enter with your domain plus WP admin, enter with login credentials, and you're going to be able to see a page almost like this one. Into this page, review the left side of your screen, this sidebar menus, okay? Review and hover mouse over plugins and hit the submenu add plugin, okay? Into the upper right corner of your screen, you're going to be able to find a field called search plugins. You're going to click right here and try and type print my blog, just like this. Print my blog, print PDF and ebook converter WordPress plugin. Click on install now. Click into the activate button. This is going to redirect you to the plugin welcome page. That is an option to allow or skip the data sharing. It's up to you, okay? I'm going to skip. Now you're going to be able to see three options, okay? Welcome to print my blog. What would you like to do? They want to try to sell you the pro version basically, but you have to click right here. Configure the print button settings, okay? Click on it. Now you're going to be able to see the plugin option, okay? And right here, you're going to need to click right here. Show print buttons on. Up to you. You can show on pages or on posts or in both. I just want to show the print options in posts, okay? So this is what I'm going to do. Now, admin print buttons. This is for site administrators, okay? Not for final users. This is for final users and this is for site admins, okay? And you can click on customize buttons. Place of the button, below content, above content. I recommend that you use below content. Open print page to a new tab. Yes, please. Print label. You can change the label, okay? You can type a new option, okay? You can change the style, the heading, and some other options in the case that you want. Same thing for ebook and PDF, okay? You can change the language of the text by accessing the text right here, and also click on show options to change the other styles, okay? Simple, right? Now, after doing our changes, all we have to do is just scroll down and hit the save change button. Now, if you go to any blog post of your site, logged in or as a site visitor without login, you're gonna be able to see the print buttons below the content, okay? And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best.